Hey guys, it's Jill and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. So today we have a makeup review, and I know I have not done a makeup review in years upon years upon years. So today I'm so incredibly excited for this review. It is on the Ardell Aqua lashes, which means you don't need glue and you use water to apply your lashes. You heard me correctly. Use water, not glue. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and show you how they are applied, the thought process, the first impressions and everything. And then of course, I'm going to do a wear test. I'm going to show you guys how these last throughout the day. And towards the end, I'm going to tell you if I recommend them or not. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into how you apply these things. Let's do this. Okay, so I am so excited for these. This is like the person who is allergic to latex. This is your dream come true. Fingers crossed, because we don't know if these really work or not, but I'm gonna test them out. I'm gonna review them for you. I'm gonna let you know how they work, how they last throughout the day, how they hold up. Now I'm going to do my initial reaction on TikTok, so I'm going to be over this way. But then, so you guys can see my initial reaction, but I'm gonna put the second lash on for just you guys, okay? So if you guys wanna go follow me on TikTok, go do so. I do lots of things over there. Missgreeneyes 1516. So we are going to test out, I don't even know, let's see. I guess you just dip it in water. Align band with natural lash to check fit. Remove lash tabs by trimming each end. I was about to say, I have a feeling that you're gonna need to do that because here are the lashes close up. So do you guys see those little lash ends right there on the end? I had a feeling I was going to have to trim them. Ooh, I don't like this lash band. I can tell you straight off, I don't like this lash band. These are the lashes that I normally do, and they are wispies and they barely have a band. But do you guys see how beautiful, flexible they are? These are much harder. I'm not as... Do you guys just see? I don't know if you can, or if you're getting this or not. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and trim off these ends, and we'll see. I actually need to do this for TikTok, and my memory card is about to fill up. I'm like, I don't have that much time, so. Whoa! It's tacky. Y'all. This is so freaking weird. These are a little too short for me in my eye. If you guys can see, they end like right here, and my eye actually goes all the way down here. So they're definitely short for my eye. I could have put the inner corner a little bit further away, but I personally like my inner corner. I feel like there's like strings of glue everywhere. I personally like my inner corner to be actually even a little further sometimes, like about right here. So these are definitely way short for me, but this is what they look like. This inner lash does not stay down though. I don't feel like it's down. Maybe it is. I don't know. We're going to put the second one on and we will see from there, and I will give you my final review. Okay, so I will say this. I had to redo that lash, and with me actually getting into the mirror and doing it like I would normally do my lashes, it looks good. I'm going to go ahead and trim these off. I honestly, I don't see how they're gonna last all day. I really honestly think that they're gonna pull up on the inner corner. I really do. And also the outer corner. We're gonna go again. 1, 2, 15. 15 seconds this time around. And I'm going to use, because I have to be super close, but I also want you guys to see me So let's see. All right, so I always put lashes in the center first, and then I will attach it to the outer corner. And then I honestly usually just have to press into the inner corner, and then I will close my eyes, and that's when you do your adjusting. That's when you make sure you get it in the outer corner and you start pinching. Make sure it's in the inner corner, you start pinching. I'm gonna need to go to the bigger mirror for this, so hopefully you guys can still see me. What just got on my face? I feel like this time around it went much better. That was much easier to apply. I think it was because of the fact that I was trying to do it for TikTok, so I was like trying to get it on, but you only have such a short amount of time. You've gotta move. So with that, I just kind of put it on and then made it look good, and then kind of had to come off camera to fix it. Whereas this time I actually was able to put in the time and effort and give it the full attention that it needed. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys in nice and close. I've finished all my makeup. This is what the lashes look like. They're really comfortable. They're really light. Usually I don't like a stiff band because usually I can feel it and it's just kind of, I just don't like the way it feels in my eyes. Now, to kind of correct the whole aspect of the lashes being too long, all I did was take a mascara and literally just take the end of the mascara wand, and I literally just went like this to kind of make my lashes longer and to kind of make it so it's like a ring of lashes. I do this every single day. So literally I just go like this with my mascara and I just brush mascara on those little lashes that are on the very end of my eye. And then also I just kind of brush them with the little lashes that are on the bottom lash line. So they kind of connect and they just kind of form like this little circle of lashes. So I do that with everything. I think they actually came out really well. Now, as far as how they're applied, because this one I had to take off and rush and I was doing it with TikTok, it did not apply as good as this one did. I think this one applied really great. It's really flawless. You can't really tell that, you know, there's any kind of separation. On this one, if you look really close, especially over here, you can tell it's not perfect. There's like a little bit of separation, even here. But so far, so good. It's been maybe about an hour or so. Hold on one second. I want to zoom you guys back out. But so far, so good. It's been a little bit over an hour. And I mean, they're not going anywhere. So fingers crossed that this is how they wear throughout the day. I will definitely come back. It's 11:59 right now. I put them on probably about 10:30, 11, somewhere around that time period. But yeah, I will definitely keep you updated throughout the day on how it's wearing, and I will check in with you guys later. It is 2:52, which is about 4 hours since I applied these lashes. Everyone say hello to Bella, because she's the only one that matters right now. She's not even paying attention. Bella. Everyone say hey to Bella. Okay, anyways, this is the state of the lashes. Let me see, hold on. So you guys can see these jokers are sticking. Okay, that was Bella that just shook the camera. But yeah, they are sticking, you guys. Okay, Bella. But yeah, like look at them. Okay, so this one I kind of messed up because of TikTok. I already told you guys that. This one looks really great. But I'm shocked, like y'all, like no lifting in the corners or anything. I am like, whoa. So it's been half a day basically. I will definitely come check back in about 7 or 8 and let you guys see where we're at. The back of the camera. The end of the lashes are stuck too, so wait, oh, did I just mess it up? Hold on. So yeah, they're not lifting anywhere. They look amazing, and I will check in with you guys about 4 or 5 more hours. It is 7:02. Y'all, I'm pretty impressed. Excuse my appearance, by the way. I look a mess. I am exhausted. Anyways, I'm going to show you these lashes real quick. It has been 8 hours, and oh my gosh. Y'all, I thought that these were going to lift in the front, in the inner corner, on the outer corner. No. These have surprised the hell out of me. Ow! Oh, hold up. Oh! I'm like, are these gonna hurt coming off? Ow. My only question is this. Are they single use? Woohoo! Girl. Your girl's eye is watery. And I do not suggest that you take them off the way that I just did. This one wasn't as bad. I will put on the screen if these are dual use. I mean, literally as soon as I took the lash out of the water, it was tacky, ready to go onto the lash. And it stuck really well. I'm really in, you know, the fact that it's it's a heavier lash, and it's not as bendy, and it's very much so more of a thicker lash band than I'm used to. I was surprised at how easy it was. These are already naturally curved, so they made it super easy to just plop right on the eye. If you're a beginner, I think that these would be a great way for you to start with lashes. But however, these 340s, if you have eyes as big as mine, they're not gonna work for you. As you could tell, these were just way too short for my personal eye shape, but they have tons of different numbers, and I was picking from the internet, and I just picked something that looks somewhat natural because I don't like super dramatic lashes. But very impressed. I highly recommend them. I think that they're fun. I think that they're easy to apply. I do think that they're easier to apply than having to use glue. So again, very beginner friendly. And again, they have the latex free aspect to them as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will link some down below in the description box. Like I said earlier, if you're in a smaller city, you may not have access to these. I know I haven't seen them anywhere I've been. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like this video, share this video. If you guys are new here, I would love if you would subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're always notified of every single upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.